All right, so first thing you guys are gonna watch me do is clean this roof off with some straight alcohol. Gives the tape something to stick to, this nice clean surface. Don't know if it's quite necessary, but Brian did it in RV with Tito. Seemed to work for him, and he has used this Eternabond way more than I have. So I'm just following his lead and cleaning its surface off before we put the tape on. Also, when I got up here to look at all this, the roof was very dirty because I don't know if you guys can tell, I'm parked under a tree. So I get all the stuff from the tree. And then we've had these wildfires out here in California last couple weeks. And all that soot and garbage from the fire was just sitting on top of the roof. So it's a little bit wet. So I figured I'd wipe it down with the alcohol and dry it off with a rag. Make sure the tape has some nice clean surface to stick to. Clean and dry surface. Okay, that should be good enough for that. So once again, the first layer is this plastic cardboard stuff. All right. Then I'm going to lay the panel on top. That looks good. Let's get the panel. All right. Okay. Panel on top. Okay. And I've got it basically placed as far forward as it'll go because of my vent. Vent is here. So I got it as far forward as I can place it. Just even it up a little like that. So now the debate is, do we, and I think we will, we'll take each one of these off. And get some tape and tape all around this guy, this plate, so it doesn't move. And then We'll stick these back on. And we'll lay a beaded tape right across the whole production. We'll see how that goes. All right, stand by. Okay, this stuff is really, it's very, very sticky. Having never messed with it, we got to do some experimentation here. To see how it cuts, you know, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's pretty. Sticking to my shirt, sticking to my fingers. This stuff is some tough stuff. Okay. All right. So my idea is to tape around each one of these plates. I'm wondering if I could just do something like this. Okay, don't mess up my good scissors. All right, put that there. Kind of figure out where the bolt is. Cut a little V in there, like so. And then that can lay over top of this, kind of secure that plate in place. All right, let's try it. We'll take this one off. I'm gonna move them all out of the way. They're pretty much, I cut this plastic, cardboard garbage, so that these plates are right on the edge. So that should be where it's supposed to lay. Let's see if I can figure out how to get the backing off of this Eternabond. Hopefully it isn't too hard. Famous last words. Wait, I think I got it. Holy shit, yeah, this stuff is this stuff is no joke. Okay. All right. So the idea is I want to put this like that, line it up, stick it down. I'm just going to put it on the cardboard right now in case I want to move it around. And then I'll punch it down further. Okay, let's put this guy back. Try to figure out where the next one is. All right, on to the next one. You know what might help me is a Sharpie. Let me go grab one. All right, on to the next one. Let's see. Go with this middle one. And I'm going to put this thing right here. Just mark it so I know where to tape it down. And let's take that off. Okay. I gotta be careful now because I got that one taped down. Maybe I should pull that up so I don't mess anything up. Go like that. Give me a little bit more room. Okay. Some more of this. Oh, man. And figure out where the post is. Somewhere around there. Got a little V in there. Okay. Something like that. Let's get this backing off again. There you go. Put that down like that. Okay. All right. Let's go to the one in the front. And try to peel it off. Which is the hardest part. We got this, I'm sure you guys have probably heard me talk about my job already. I'm an aircraft mechanic. And sometimes we have to replace part of the carpet on the inside of the plane. And we use carpet tape to hold the carpet down. And this stuff we have at my job, carpet tape, to peel it, obviously it's a double-sided tape, right? To peel it, man, I don't know who designed this stuff, but you just can't peel this goddamn stuff. It's such a pain in the ass. The other place I used to work was Delta Airlines, and they had this carpet tape that was really easy to peel. So when I got to Southwest and had to deal with that carpet tape, it was quite a shock to me how bad it was. But, you know, it's the way companies are now. They buy probably the cheapest stuff they can get, which happened to be this crappy carpet tape. That's what this Eternal Bond, peeling it reminds me of carpet tape at work. But even this isn't as bad as that stuff. All right, anyway, you guys are going to watch. I'm going to stop yapping.